Hello friends, in this video we are going to make butterfly. So first of all we are going to make the middle body part of the butterfly with the help of these curves. Now we'll make the head of the butterfly. Now the upper wing of one side and the lower wing of the same side. Then the upper wing of the opposite side and the lower wing of the same opposite side. Now we are going to make the antennae of this butterfly. Now the two eyes and a beautiful smile. Yes, now the major structure of this butterfly is done. So now I'm going to add some more design to the wings. See, they are not necessary. You can add it as per your wish. So the same designs I'm adding to the other side of the wings. Some more designs to the middle body part of this butterfly with its simple curves, or you can say arcs. So this beautiful butterfly is ready now. Now we're going to color it. You can choose any color for this coloring because butterfly is multicolor. So here I use different colors for the wings, for the middle body part, for the head and the antenna. So you can use any color and make it as multicolor. So you can do the coloring similarly I'm doing in this video. Here I've used maroon color to color the outer surface of the wings. Same coloring just do onto the other wing of the opposite side. Now fill the inner part of the same wing with some different colors so as to make it more attractive. As you can see, the same color I used onto the opposite side of the wing. Now I've colored the lower part of the wing with the purple color, and same I'll do onto the wing of the opposite side. Yes, here I started with the same color, purple, on to the opposite side of the lower wing. Now I used pink color to fill up the inner surface of the lower wings. As you can see, pink and purple seems to be a good combination. That's why I chose pink color. Okay, so now the same pink color onto the opposite wing of the lower part. Yes, the wings are ready. Now I'm going to color the middle part with the multicolors. Now the head part and the antennas. Now I'm going to sketch the whole butterfly with the black sketch color so as to make it more attractive. So I'll outline the whole butterfly with the black sketch color. The beautiful butterfly is ready now. Okay, so I hope you all enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and keep watching for more videos, and or you can also see our site kidscompetition.in.